videos ago, I'm going to be showing you guys my new updated base routine. I do have very acne prone skin. I am currently going through Accutane. I'm only 10 days in, so obviously not a lot of difference yet. I uploaded a base routine video last year, but I have switched up some products and do my base slightly different. So I thought I'd film a updated 2024 version. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to do this base makeup, just keep watching. Also, a disclaimer, I think it might be the way I have my lighting, but my face always looks so much lighter than my neck in my videos sometimes. I promise my foundation matches my neck. Yeah, I don't enjoy looking like the not Spider-Man, the spider character. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, yeah, see, I don't know why it's doing that, but like literally I will put a photo here from my phone because in person and in photos it looks the same. I don't know what's wrong with this camera, but first, I would usually do my makeup after doing my skincare routine and letting everything dry down onto my skin. However, I did go out this morning, so I have a lot of like excess product and now oils just on my skin. So before I start, I'm gonna use a toner pad and just wipe all that excess oil off. Now I'm just gonna let that dry. For my primer, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna start color correcting. Lately, I've been using the 𝘀liche Cover Perfection, and this one is in Correct Beige. So I'm gonna be using this salmon color. I put it under my eyes. And a lot of like acne scarring, and the acne that I have has a lot of darker undertones instead of just being red, so I'm going to be using the salmon color on my acne as well. Now I'm going to be using the green color on my acne. And then I just blend everything together using the same brush. use the leftover on my brush for the underside of my nose. I'm gonna go in with the same concealer palette and use the actual concealer shade. And I am just going over everything that we just covered. California is like finally getting hot again. It's been kind of wonky with the weather lately. Like the sun would be out but the wind would be kind of cold and stuff. But now it's just super hot. And my AC is like really loud that I never turn it on. So I'm just suffering. And I'm just gonna let my concealer sit for a couple minutes before blending everything in. Just gonna use the same brush to blend everything. After I blend out my concealer, I like to go in with my setting spray. And I set my makeup in between each step of my base. So for my foundation, I've been using the 𝗀𝗀𝗱𝗶𝗶. I finally got the big one. I was using the mini one. I'm using a cushion. When using a cushion, it's important to pat off the excess on the lid here and work in thin layers. The coverage for the red cushion is really high, so I usually just do 2 thin layers. And this is in shade 21, but it does oxidize, so it oxidizes to match my neck shade. Because I have acne, I'm gonna go in with one more layer. For my nose area, I'm gonna be using the puff from my smaller cushion just because it gets into the ridges better. And then I just spray my face again. And then I use this big powder brush to set my entire face. I usually set the whole thing, but today I'm going to avoid my cheek area because I am going to be using a cream blush. And then once everything is set, that is it for my acne base routine.